Welcome to the 2026 AI Frontier, where we explore the performance and comparisons of the latest large language models. Plain English is emerging as the new programming language. Instead of typing complex syntax, you describe what you want, and the AI builds it. This is vibe coding. In 2026, your AI development team includes specialized models like Claude 4.7 by Anthropic, GPT 5.3 by OpenAI, Gemini 3.1 Pro by Google, and LLaMA 4 by Meta. This vibe coding toolkit shows the specialized role and superpower of each model, from Claude 4.7 as the logic master to LLaMA 4 as the private vault. Your primary workspace is Google AI Studio, which allows you to access Gemini 3.1 Pro and 2.0 Flash in one place without needing a coding environment. The power of the context window is key. While standard AI reads one chapter at a time, Gemini 3.1 Pro can read an entire library at once. Claude 4.7, the logic master, scores 87.6% on SWE Bench Verified. Its best use is connecting complex ideas across multiple files. GPT 5.3 Codex, the security guard, scores 81.8% on Terminal Bench. It is best used for finding security flaws and fixing infrastructure. Beware of the illusion of perfection. AI models make mistakes with extreme confidence, so you must remain the human in the loop. Adopt a multi-model strategy. Don't rely on a single brain. Compare Claude, Gemini, and GPT to find the absolute best answer across different task types. Your first vibe coding workflow involves opening Google AI Studio, uploading context, prompting the AI in English, and then reviewing and comparing the output. The cost of intelligence varies, with Gemini 2.0 Flash being near free at 10 cents per million tokens compared to premium models at around $15. Protect your ideas by understanding the difference between consumer and enterprise tiers. Never upload private data into free consumer AI tiers, as they may use your data for training. You are now a manager of intelligence. Stop typing syntax and start designing solutions. Log into Google AI Studio today.